Hāinu Lā'au is a series of traditional Hawaiian healing workshops set up in 8-week cohorts for middle school age Opio and their ohana.
The intent of Hāinu Lā'au is that by de-stressing the home, it would have a positive academic impact on the Opio.
Our hope is that by introducing different aspects of basic traditional Hawaiian healing to the students and their ohana, deeper relationships can be built with their culture, self-identity, and family bond.
Enrollment preferences are given to those that live in Ko'olauloa and Ko'olaupoko, which extends from Pupukea to Waimanalo,
as well as those that live in Ewa, which include Hālava to Makakilo.
In these courses, Opio will learn Hawaiian culture-based health and wellness practices such as mo'okuauhau and mana management,
gathering protocols, and mo'olelo,
lomi noho, and lomi a'e.
For more details about the project, please visit our website at huimauli'ola.org/Hāinu-Lā'au. Then click the sign up button to start your journey with us.